Hi guys, Keerth here. I finally got the icon skin from D brand for my iPhone. Let's open it up. This looks like a thermocol piece. I also ordered 5 of these microfiber cloths to qualify for free shipping. Each one has an icon. This one looks like a pen drive. This is the USB symbol. What is this? Tell me in the comments. This is a mic. And this is the NVIDIA RTX 3090. The envelope also has the icons pattern. An interesting fact, there are 100 unique icons in the pattern, so I guess there's no repetition here. You can go to dbrand.com/how to know how to install a skin, but I will show you that and I promise you will like it, so stick around. This is the precision fit, which covers all the sides. And this is the standard fit, which will cover only the back panel, and we'll install this one. Installing a D brand skin is magical, and I mean that literally. All you gotta do is place your skin over the surface of the phone and snap. Let's see how this looks. The finish is a layered print where the icons sort of shine against this ultra matte finish, so it looks super clean and high quality. That's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe. Cheers.